Hey guys, this is Jordan from BlackboxMyCar, and today we are going to be showing you how to unmount your dash cam if it was originally installed using mounting tape. Here at BlackboxMyCar, we receive this question on a regular basis, and today we will show you the two different ways on how to properly uninstall your dash cam. Option 1. You will need a heat gun. Please remember to follow the safety instructions while operating a heat gun, and use it at your own discretion. Start off by targeting your heat gun towards the adhesive mount attaching your dash cam to your windshield. This will heat up the adhesive and cause it to lose some of its ability to stick, allowing you to pull off the dash cam hassle-free and without risk of damaging your dash cam or vehicle. Option 2. You will need a trim tool. Using something such as a credit card or gift card will work just as well. This option is essentially just pulling off your dash cam, but with a little help in separating the tough adhesive from your windshield. As you begin to pull off your dash cam, use the pry tool by placing it in between the dash cam mount and windshield. This will allow the opportunity of the adhesive to slowly separate from your windshield, making it easier for you to pull it off. With both options, the chances of having some residue left over on your windshield is very possible, so there are two options to getting rid of this. Option 1. Cleaning spray. Spray the area of residue and wipe thoroughly until the adhesive is fully off the windshield. Option 2. Cleaning wipes. Use the wipe and wipe thoroughly on the windshield in the area of the residue until it's gone. Remember to make sure the wipe is glass safe, so you don't risk damage to your windshield. These two cleaning options are important because whether you are unmounting to readjust your dash cam's position or you are upgrading your unit, a clean windshield is a must when installing any dash cam to ensure secure mounting. As always, thank you for watching and making BlackboxMyCar the #1 dash cam retailer across North America. If you have any questions you would like to see answered in a video, contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com.